So I receive a lot of requests on my channel, on LinkedIn. People email me directly. They give me feedback on my content, which is a great thing. I really appreciate. And I want you guys to keep sending me your feedback. And of course, if you need further help on something specific, like maybe a script or automation, or you maybe have a suggestion for me, then do let me know and keep doing that. I want you guys to reach out to me. It always feels good. It gives me a lot of motivation that whatever I'm doing, it could be a video or a blog, or maybe when I reply to questions on the community, Atlassian community, um, I want to continue doing that. Now, I do have a small problem, not really a problem, but basically when I receive these requests through different channels, it could be a comment or it could be an email, or maybe by any means, if someone is contacting me to get help on a specific topic, I have difficulty in basically organizing and tracking, and basically uh, I find it difficult to prioritize the time that I should give on those requests, and that is totally fine. I think I don't really do this as a full time thing. I'm not really getting paid for it, so I can only help whenever I have time and whenever I think I can spend maybe some time to look at your issues and problems. To solve this problem and to basically make this process a bit more organized, what I have done based on a recommendation on my channel, I have set up one Jira Service Management project. Now, it's a bit of a shame that I didn't do it earlier. I don't know why. I think I should have done it from the very beginning. But to be honest, I never really thought that one day I will reach a point where I will start getting a lot of inquiries and people will be reaching out to me for help and support. Now, what I have done now is I have set up a simple Jira Service Management project in my Jira instance. And this is a project. The project name is called Ravi. I was thinking of a better name, but I couldn't think of anything else apart from my own name, because why not? And as you can see, it is nothing but a simple project where I have just one request type configured. Let me show you the request type. I like keeping things transparent, and of course, we have one more opportunity to refresh basically the things that we learned on Jira Service Management, Jira Service Desk long back. Not really long back, but last year I think last year we made I made a lot of videos on this topic. And if you go to the request type on this particular project, if I go to the request type, you can't do it. You are not admin on my site, but I just have one request type called get support, which I have exposed on the portal. Now, if you go to the portal, I'll give you the link, by the way. So this is nothing but jiratutorial.atlassian.net/service desk /customer/portal/1. So you will find this one portal, this page where you can raise a get support request. I was not really sure about the request type name. I think get support makes sense. So click on it and reach out to me. Like, for example, if I need help with a script, it could be anything. And let us say the script on this video that I was watching on your channel is not working. Can you give me some ideas, whatever, basically on how to fix it? So basically what I'm trying to do is, and by the way, you can also attach files, I guess, and send a request. I'll probably remove the attachment. I think it is not really relevant, but why not? I think it is okay. So when you raise a ticket, it will of course come to me. I will monitor my queue. Of course, don't really expect me to respond to you within like. I might have SLA set up on the issue, but don't really expect this to be like a support, um, a proper support that you might receive from Atlassian when you are, of course, paying them. It is something that I'm doing based on my availability, of course. But the good thing is that if I receive, let us say, 10 requests in a week, I will try to at least get back to them with something. It could be some ideas about how to fix it or how to do something about it or anything that will probably help you. If you have any issues with, let us say, a specific video, you found a script on my channel which is not working, just let me know in the description. Paste it here, and what I'll do, I'll start tracking it. And of course, the whole reason I'm doing it is because I want to basically channelize everything on this project that I have already on my Jira instance. And I think it makes sense to use Jira because my channel is all about Jira and Atlassian tools. So, and things like in automation, I talk a lot about doing wonderful things with built-in automation rules, script runner, and similar things related to Atlassian tools. And I thought I'll probably try to organize the way I receive these requests, and I also want to prioritize it. So all you need to do is raise a request. I mean, you're anyways doing it. It might sound a bit too much work, but I guess if you're watching if you are following my YouTube channel, I guess you have already an Atlassian account. That is what all you need. Reach out to me, and I will make sure that I will get back to you. Of course, I'm probably waiting for that stage where I have no bandwidth to respond to your request. It can happen. I mean, our channel is still not that huge, but for the time being, I think it is still okay. I'm still able to manage making regular videos. I have been talking about it in the past. I don't really spend too much time on making these videos. Basically, I mean, I work on Atlassian tools. That is my main job, and I have plenty of content to talk about. I spend time on the community because I want to learn new things. When you help others, you are not only helping, but you're also refreshing your memory. You're also learning new things, and I think it keeps you a bit more on top of what is happening, what all latest is happening in this Atlassian ecosystem. So making regular videos for me is not really a big deal. It is just a matter of 15-20 minutes, and sometimes I spend maybe another half an hour to do other things, like maybe responding to your questions or spending some time on the community. And I want to continue doing that, but now I want to, of course, channelize everything. So to summarize, if you think you need more than 2 minutes of my time, and by the way, don't really expect me to solve a problem for you. That is not my intention. I am trying to help you and kind of teach you how to solve your own problems. Like if you have been watching my videos, in every video I try to solve a very simple problem. Like I try to cover a very, very simple aspect of, let us say, how to update a custom field value in a cascading select list using automation rules, or how to call a REST endpoint. Now, in my videos I talk about these small things so that you learn how to do big things by solving these smaller problems. So I will not give you a complete solution. So don't expect me to get back to you with a proper solution, because of course I'm doing it for free. I'm not really charging anyone, and I intend to keep it that way. I want to keep my content free. I want to keep whatever I'm doing accessible to all. So if you think you need more than 2 minutes of my time, then I think raising a ticket makes sense. If you think you need maybe more than half an hour of my time, even in that case, do raise a ticket, but I'll probably give you pointers on how to solve it and how to basically approach that particular problem. But I want to, of course, channelize all the requests on this customer portal, on this project. So let me know if this is a good idea or a bad idea, but I want to keep this portal open for some time. Let us see how many requests I get. If I don't get a lot of requests, I'll probably close the project, but I think keeping it open for some time, and I will also share the link in my videos. I'll probably, of course, advertise this link of my portal that click here to raise a ticket for me in case you need more than 2 minutes of my time. So anything which is more than 2 minutes but less than half an hour, I think raising a ticket will make sense, and I will make sure that I will get back to you. And the reason I'm doing it is because I want to get back to you. Sometimes I get emails, I receive messages on LinkedIn, and it is a bit difficult to. Of course I read my messages. Of course I read my emails. Of course I read my comments, but I might read those comments on, let us say, my mobile phone, and I think about getting back to it. Let us say if you ask me a question about how to fetch, how to let us say run a script for doing this in bulk, or how to do this for multiple users, something like that. So I have the answer, and I might have like a small code already, but when I'm reading those comments on my mobile phone, I might not always remember to get back to those comments. So if you raise a ticket, I will come to know about it. There is a mobile app, I guess, for Jira as well, so I'll monitor it. I will probably get an email. But the good thing about this project is that it will be stored somewhere on the project, on this Jira Service Management project, and I will have a way to go back to all the requests that I haven't really responded to. So that is something that I'm thinking of now doing, and let me know if this sounds good. I'm doing it because I want to do it properly, like engaging with you in a proper way, and using Jira Service Management project makes sense. That is also another reason. So let us end this video here, and let me know what you think about it. Bye bye.